love it at Meridian. I get the best of both worlds. I get to prepare for my future, and I don't have to miss out on any of those once-in-a-lifetime high school moments. I've been able to meet friends here who have the same interests as me, and it's been really great.
The small class sizes for our program is great. That allows us to work individually with each person because we're not a lockstep program. Our program is work at your own pace. So each student comes in at different levels, so we can work with each person individually on their program and at their speed. The best thing about Meridian Technology Center is you can come here, you can learn a trade, you can learn a skill, and you can also get college credit for it. Our advisory council for our students or our program is made up of experts out in the field. And they come in and we have meetings and they tell us what curriculum we need to use or what we need to do in our program to update the students so they'll be ready for the workforce out in the real world.
I didn't attend Meridian my junior year, but it turns out that wasn't a problem because I could still enroll as a senior.